How powerful is Rohini Nakshatra?
Power is not what Rohini likes. Rohini belongs to Moon. She is soft, she is sexy, she is lovable. And where there is love, power is not required. Absolutely not required.
You need power only to do something harmful. Otherwise, love is enough. Compassion is enough.
Rohini dwells in the sign of Taurus, a beautiful sign. They are a song, a dance, a music. Rohini brings abundance of physical pleasures and comforts to the native who is born on Rohini Nakshatra. Generally, these men and women are found to be beautiful, and there is a certain aura of joyousness around them. Taurus is a sign that is total material by nature, and because it is an earthy sign, it has a very strong sense of smell, touch, and feelings. On the darker side, Taurus is a very passionate sign by nature and also high in sexuality. These are the creatures who simply like to eat, pray, and love. They take a great interest in the art of love making. Yesterday, someone asked a question how Libra is different than Taurus because both belong to Venus sign. Taurus, Rohini, Kritika Nakshatra fall in Taurus, are more interested in physical sex. To them, love is incomplete without the art of making love or having sex. Libra, in which Swati and Vishaka Nakshatra fall, are more interested in the platonic love. They too want to have sex, but more than sex, they would want to first relate more and more with the lover. They find more pleasure when they can relate with the lover. Libra rules the seventh house, and seventh house is more about relating. You can love a person because the person satisfies your sex. This is not love, just a bargain. You can make sex with a person because you love, then sex follows just like a shadow, part of love. Then it is beautiful, then it is no longer of the animal world. Then something of the beyond has already entered, and if you go on loving a person deeply, by and by, sex disappears. Intimacy becomes so fulfilling, then there is no need for sex. Love is enough unto itself. Taurus Rohini is too emotional by nature. And a person who is too emotional has absolute no power but is rather weak and submissive by nature. If you are looking for real power that moves the pawn by operating from behind the curtains, then that power is with Anuradha Nakshatra, the nakshatra that is placed exactly opposite to Rohini. Anuradha is ruled by Saturn, and power is always with Saturn. The executive power, the authority, always remains with Saturn and not with the soft, submissive, emotional Moon. And Moon is the one who rules over Rohini. In fact, it is said that among all the 27 nakshatras, which are called wives of Moon, Rohini is the favorite wife of Moon. And therefore, Moon exhales in Rohini. Of course, when you are with your most favorite lover, be it wife or girlfriend, you are going to be in a state of high. And that is how Moon is also high when placed in Rohini. You see, Rohini is ruled by the moon. Shravan is ruled by moon. Hasta Nakshatra is also ruled by moon. But moon likes Rohini a lot than his other two wives, that is Shravan and Hasta. Why? And the answer is very obvious. Who would not like to have a romantic wife? Rohini is just like that. Shravan brings a lot of practicality. Here, the wife, that is the nakshatra, is soft and sweet and also has a certain glamour of power and authority. But because it is placed in the sign of Capricorn, here the wife, that is the nakshatra Shravan, is practical by nature. Moon says, let's go and have a party, and Shravan, the practical sweet wife, says, who is going to pay the bill? Hasta nakshatra again is a wife who does a lot on analysis. Moon says, I have liked this color shade for our office walls, let's go for it. And Hasta nakshatra says, wait, I am going to watch a few more videos on YouTube on which color is best for our Rashi, and then I am going to read a few more books too, and then when I am 100% sure about a certain shade, only then will I give you a go ahead. Analysis. They like to do a lot of analysis. Poor Moon again remembers his favorite wife Rohini and says to himself how sweet it would have been had Rohini been in place of Hasta. So you see, Moon loves Rohini because Rohini is all about heart and pleasures of life. Sex is one big part of the pleasures that Moon, that is the mind, seeks. And Rohini has all the qualities and strength to provide abundance of sexual pleasures to her or his partner. Understand the fact that Taurus Rohini and Libra Swati both are seekers of love and sex. But in case of Taurus, the weightage towards real-time sex is a little more than Libra. Libra wants some spice in form of intellectualism. For Taurus, all that is not required. It is a bull. If it goes hard, it truly loves you, it simply wants to do it. Just do it is the perfect slogan for Taurus Rohini and Kritika Nakshatra. Physical pleasures are in abundance. Physical attractiveness is in abundance. Physical strength is in abundance. All of these qualities makes Rohini and Kritika both exactly not powerful but a beautiful, lovable sign. Remember, Rohini Nakshatra is the nakshatra of Lord Krishna, and history is witness to the fact that romance, love, and Krishna is very closely related. The whole world remembers the beautiful bonding of Radha and Krishna. Krishna marries Rukmini, but the world remembers Krishna and Radha. Radhe Krishna. Rohini is a star that does not have direct authority and power like that of Anuradha or Pushya. But Rohini has great manipulative skills through which it exercises its power indirectly. Lord Krishna during the Mahabharata actually had to manipulate certain men, of course in the larger interest of dharma and safeguarding righteousness. Rohini and the strength it derives is totally based on where exactly the moon is placed in your chart. If the moon is placed in the 5th, 7th, 9th, 11th with beneficial aspects, then such a woman is a beauty, a song, a dance. Life truly has to be like a Rohini, a dance, a song, a beautiful painting. You have asked about power, but let me tell you and to all my listeners and followers that there is absolutely nothing as powerful as love. And Rohini is all about love. This
Love is the strongest medicine. It is more powerful than electricity.
This world needs Rohini to add more love, more warmth, and more beauty. We all are born to make a difference. No matter how small is the difference, as long as it is serving the purpose to make this planet more beautiful, more alive, it is enough. Enough for today. Jai Shri Ganesha. Jai Guru.